Yeah.
So today we're gonna be unboxing this box that we're gonna be unboxing. So, what could it be?
Oh, not wheel spacers.
Don't fucking know.
Stop.
Nobody knows.
Spoiler.
So the other day we
Wheel spacers.
The other day we tried on Johnny's wheel spacers on his G35.
Huh?
They were about 30 millimeter, I think. These are 25s, so we're gonna put these on my G37 today. All right, there's the first one. That's 25.
They're all gonna look the same, so.
Shut up.
They're like all different.
Shut up.
Huh?
Oh, I just popped it?
Fuck my ass.
The second one. And there's two more down here too. So.
Yeah, great unboxing video.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Failure to correctly install product may result in loss of wheels while driving. That's gonna be great.
Who cares? Door?
Oh shit.
Sorry.
Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it.
I think I got that too.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, that's it! Stupid little bitch, I give it you. Okay, so install your stupid little thick butt spacers.
I remember where all these go.
Oh! Oh. Yeah, hold what?
Now look.
Wait, what did the hold?
Guys. You don't have to hold anything.
Your hand?
Yeah. This is kind of small for a 25, don't you think, Eric? Right, so basically these go in here and they hold the spacer in like this.
What the hell was that?
Fuck.
You stupid ass dinosaur.
Got him! This isn't going in. It wasn't going on earlier, but basically you just twist this on. This is what keeps the spacer in, and then you're gonna bolt down your wheel onto the spacer. So. Okay. Basically, a spacer is just for looks. It doesn't really give you any performance.
No, it does.
Oh, it does. Plus
It,
40 horsepower.
when you
We'll show you guys the before and after as soon as I get this on. We got the 25 millimeter spacer on. Now we're gonna throw this back on, and then we got 3 more to go.
throw this bad boy on.
So this bad boy.
What are you doing?
Huh? Oh. You like that?
He like it. He wish he was.
hungry.
He wish he was a wheel.
Huh? You got 2 of them on you.
So he's about to lower his car after putting on the spacer. Work him.
Oh.
Work him.
Oh.
But has Eric's tight ass.
Oh yeah. Workout. Push weights. I'm gonna stick right down there.
Oh!
Oh shit, the dent might not clear, dude.
No would.
Probably fine.
Eric.
Alright, it's done.
Alright.
So, why does it look like a raised though? You should buy a camper.
Who knows? There's the results of the 25 millimeter spacer.
Mm-hmm.
I guess it's alright. The 30 millimeter was better, but
It was a more reasonable fit.
and here's it without the spacer. Ugh.
So, let's get spacers on all 4.
Oh, I know what it's called. It's called Lady Boy.
Very different.
No, that's like an actual term. People are like, oh, are you Lady Boy? Are you Lady Boy? Are you Lady Boy? Are you Lady Boy?
Special boy.
Lady Boy? I'm not even lying.
Every boy.
boy. Serious.
What? You just got that spacer tightened on. Let's put the wheel back on and lower it. Why does this side seem lower than the other side?
Wow, amazing.
Oh, look who's here!
Oh my god, yeah.
Hey there.
These are some generic spacers off Amazon. I mean, honestly, it's just a spacer, so I don't think I gotta spend like a whole buttload of money. A whole loose buttload of money.
A stomach full of money.
Oh, that makes sense.
Drills make everything easy. $80.
Oh shit, what the hell?
Oh,
Yeah, how am I gonna tighten it?
oh yeah. I'll go step on the brake.
Alright guys, so the fronts and the rears both have lowering springs. The front is a 1.5 drop and the rear is a 1.2 drop. So this might have an issue.
Oh.
It might rub up
Oh.
here.
Let's find out.
Oh, yeah.
I think I'll be maybe fine.
If you're a girl, I think your car's too.
Pretty good fit.
But your asshole.
This is weird, man.
Hey.
Before the car's lopsided. After. Yeah.
I think 30s in the rear would have been better, so I might switch to 30s in the rear just so it can be out a little more and have it a little wider. Probably gonna switch to 30s. But the fronts with 25s that's pretty decent.
Vitaly's TV. Eric's a lady boy.
I go to a special classroom.
Come on, lady boy. Lady boy.
What the wrong?
I know.
I like eating shit. What?
He said he likes eating shit.
You don't like it?
Guys.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yum yum yum. Yeah. Much better.
Alright, tying this shit down. We just finished installing the spacers on my G37.
Oh.
I think we're gonna wrap something now. We're gonna probably get the wrap done in like a week or two.
Yeah.
But we want to play a song for you guys before we leave.
Oh.
But before we play the song, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share this video. So I hope you guys enjoy the song. Me and Johnny learned this on the Super Pads.
Yeah. Super skill.
Hey.
Hey.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh.
Well, that's pretty good actually.
Oh, it's not. Oh. Yeah, I don't think it's matching the beat. Is there something wrong?